This one is a chime para sa taong 2026. Para maganda ang pasok, ang transition ng inyong enerhiya sa inyong mga tahanan sa taong 2025, which is Year of the Snake, papunta sa Year of the Horse or Fire Horse, which is 2026. Dapat meron ka nito nakasabit sa inyong mga main door or sa inyong mga windows. Ito po is horse design na chime. Meron siya ditong horse na design. Meron siya mga money, Chinese money, which is Chinese traditional money. It also has a horse here. It also has a Chinese money here. And on top, meron siyang dinadala na gold ingots. Ito po ay may tatlong bell. If you are going to listen to the sound, that specific sound will going to filter the energy papasok sa inyong tahanan. I-eliminate niya or i-ward off niya ang bad luck or bad energy. Hindi yan papasok. Tapos, it only allows to enter positive energy, papasok sa inyong tahanan. Positive energy, abundance, prosperity, career growth, success, pera. Okay? So kung gusto mo talagang swertehin ka, dapat meron ka na nito nakasabit sa inyong mga main doors or sa windows ninyo. Para again, maganda ang transition from Year of the Snake going to Year of the Horse. If you want to purchase this one, click the yellow basket para makapag-check out ka. This one, cleansed, blessed, energized already by our feng shui experts to effectively, again, attract positive energy, career growth, success, opportunities, blessings, and also abundance, wealth, at pera. Click the yellow basket, i-check out mo na.